Excuse me. Okay, we're live. I'm pretty sure. Well, I mean, we've been live. I mean, like, we're actually starting now. Let me double check the audio, though. It should be good. I didn't change anything, but... Excuse me. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we're live. You heard me cough and everything. Okay. So then, yeah, I got some cough drops here as well. I'm going to be taking. Now, after the stream, I started working on an animation system that we may be working on during the stream a little bit. As you can see, it allows for like really cool stuff to go on and whatnot. Uses emotions and everything like that. I think I'll keep working on this off stream though, and for now, we're just gonna like ignore the battle animation and just do the damage processing. So, how do I want to go about this? Do I want to create a singular window? Huh. That is a great question. Okay, you know what? I have an idea. I lied, I don't have an idea. Okay. Oh, man, I really wish I could organize all this stuff. I can still get away with doing this though. Oh, not that one. Class window action. We don't need to hide. We don't need to show that for now. Equip list. We don't need that. PL info. Don't need that. Return message. We don't need that. There we go. You know what? I should have done this. I should have done this already, dude. This is like so much more organized already. I don't know why I didn't do this before. This we do need though, and I could do some more organizing here, but that'll be later on. Okay. Okay, I'll put it like above the cursor. Class window battle damage pop. Pop it like a tag. Pop it like a tag. Okay, stop. Best thing we can do. Oh yeah, because we can like. Oh, dude, this is gonna be nice, dude. It's gonna be nice, dude. You know what? This will be we're gonna make a battle log, and the battle log will also be in charge of the battle damage pop-up, and you'll see like a list of the stuff that's currently going on. This is gonna be swag as heck. This is gonna be swag as heck. Swag as heck. Stop. Mistakes are made. Playing Mario 64 on a Switch is wild. It is, I bet. I'm not going to be picking it up though, only because, like, you know, I've already played those games, and I mean, I'm a fan of the games, but I really wish they just would have remade them. But it's okay. It's, you know, a port is a port. Oh yeah, by the way, that's not a port. The Mario 64 is emulated, and they're using Lua scripts to inject textures and everything upon texture LUTs, from what I understand. But who cares? Mario 64 is great. And now we can like legally play it on a Switch. You know, in some ways, it might be better that it's emulated and not, now that I think about it, because if they would have remade it, it probably wouldn't have had that good feel to it, you know? I didn't think of that. Last night I was complaining about it. I was like, they're emulating it, blah, blah. Instructor. Super. Zero. New rect 0 graphics.width graphics.height. What the heck? Oh. Yep, indeed it was. They could have at least made it widescreen. Come on. There was that nabbit. I like the fact that they kept the original though, but I just wish they would have now that I think about it anyways, at first I was like, they should have remade it, blah, 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 but no. They really should just have kept the original, and I'm glad they did. But they could have edited it a little bit more. Come on, man. What the crap, Nintendo? Alright. Still, Mario 64 is an awesome game. It always will be an awesome game. I don't really think Mario 64... Yeah, no, it definitely should be remade just to see how it looked. I'm curious. Oh no, I'm indecisive. My choices are like bipolar right now. Also, Nat, if you're near Bufio, tell him I said what's up, girl. Alright, let's see. This is not opacity. This is gonna be a dank burrito. It's gonna have to be like above all the other stuff, but not above other windows, right? Yeah. Yeah, below all the other windows. I mean, the guy who's making an Unreal Engine 64? Yes. That dude. Did I say Unreal Engine 64? Did I heckin' say Alright, I'm just gonna end the stream and go into a corner and like bury myself. Actually, Unreal Engine 64 would be pretty sweet. It's like a Nintendo 64 engine that you can use to make fan games for Nintendo 64. That'd be awesome. I want it. Not physically nearby, but I can send a message. Do it. Bet you won't. Alright, refresh. We'll do this through like an object area. So battle data equals. Yeah, we're gonna do this through a battle array or data array, and I'm not 100% sure if I just drink my old coffee or new one. New one, definitely new one. I'm excited about the possibility of making money for making maps. Nat, you deserve it. Go, trust me, Grant. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. Most people that make maps, by comparison to what you were doing, they suck. You know, and they're pretty good. But by comparison, they suck. So that should tell you something. Okay. So, we're going to do this.contents.clear. And we're going to... Excuse me, what? You heckin' what? What? Huh? I am so confused. What just happened? Hold up. I actually have no earthly idea. I'm gonna have to look back on the stream. What even just happened there? I think the formatter bugged. I don't know though. I did something that I didn't realize and it just broke. PayPal on the past. Have some drain their entire. Hi. Yeah, that's definitely a no-no. Yikes. Man, I would've hunted them down, dude. Yeah. Yeah, so, Bufio, you seen that, right? That sound was weird, dude. It just, like, broke itself for no reason. And I even deleted all this code here that I wrote, but it was still an error until I undid everything. So, yeah, I don't know. I think... Oh, I bet he was, Nat. F that, dude. I'd have been infuriated, man. Screw that. Ain't gonna steal my money. Take my money. That's some problems, bucko. Get the mafia on you. Not really. Alright. I equals 0. I is less than this dot battle data. Dot length. I plus plus. I think I just missed it since I got when you were doing. Wait, what? Oh. So yeah, basically, Bufio, what I did, I wrote this little bit of stuff here, and I saved, right? And all of a sudden errors are generated, 3 errors. So I'm like, okay, well fine, I'll just delete what I made here and then see if that was the cause. Because it didn't look like I made any mistakes. But I deleted it and there were still errors until I undid. Which, by the way, is the exact same thing as deleting. So, I don't know. It's weird. I think like the formatter, the auto formatter that I have may be bugged. Or I just did something really stupid and I was impatient when deleting and I didn't give it time to update. Because it is a large script. The families. That's the parents are called. That's what I. Oh, dude. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Whew. That makes me salty. Like, just seeing, like, what happened. Like, that. Golly, that really sucks, Matt. I hope you guys got revenge somehow or something. Personnel. Other state. Entire account. That's horrible, though, that somebody would even consider doing that. Unless it was, like, to save a life or something. Then it could technically be kind of justified, but not really, because you're also... I don't know. Okay, so... We're not going to do anything with that yet. We're going to do... Add turn data. Well, we'll just do this. Add data. Type. Data. Excuse me. This dot battle. Data dot... Push. Type. Data. Okay. Now, to see if this works properly, we gon' find you so you can run and tell that. Thankfully, to get the money back. Nice! I'm really glad you're able to get the money back. Holy crap. Because that would have been horrible if not. Alright, so I'm gonna... This dot... Window... Battle log equals new window battle log. This dot add child. This dot window battle log. Okay, so we're gonna. All right, now where? You know what? We can do this. This dot window battle log dot data. What is it called? Something? Data something. Oh, add data. This will be an info class, and we're going to add the message here. The data would be I think it's the name, right? Oh, enemy link. That's what it is, yeah. Enemy link dot name. And then the level. Underscore level. Okay, now I need to do a reverse push, which is pushed at the beginning. I gotta figure out how to do that again, I forget. JavaScript array push to front. What? I don't think this is what I need. Oh, oh yeah, it does. Unshift adds in the beginning of the array and returns a new length. Yeah, okay, this is what I want. So it's gonna add lemon and pineapple before. Okay, yeah, that is what I want. So instead of .push, we're gonna do unshift. That should work, right? Dude, what? The errors are back. No way, no mother heckin' way. Where'd they come from? What errors are these? How did that double? Where'd it come from? Am I being hacked? Am I being trolled right now? I think I'm being trolled. It was a few years ago. Yo, my junk's seriously bugged, if not. Like, if nobody's, like, hacked into my jazz and is, like, overwriting my file in real time just to troll me, then my junk's bugged. And if that is what they're doing, then I'm about to open me up some Wireshark and find out who the beast is. And also find out how in the world they got an open port to do this. Alright, where was I? I lost a train of thought. Oh, yeah. We're here. Gosh, we got so dang much code. I love it. We're gonna do switch this dot battle data I. Wait a minute. First, we need to do this. We need to do let index equals that. Yes. Programming can be a stress, but it could also be really fun. It depends. Index dot type. Case. Ah, dang it, I done forgot what the thick I even set it for. Info, there it is. Right. Alright, so yeah, if it's an info type, my junk is having a bug. It is. And hi, Twin Tails, how you doing? Hashtag 100, welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. I don't think I've seen you over here, but you knew? Are you, I think I knew it Twin Tails from before, but I don't think I've seen you, in my streams. But hello, welcome. Great, I'm out of Coke. I can have it. Oh, water it is. Water is so much better. Oh my gosh. Alright. Then we're gonna do this that fancy box. Wait a minute. Was it fancy box or was it the hold on, let's go to the PL info. It was to draw fancy bar, right? No, it was fancy box. Pretty sure. Yeah, because the fancy bar, that's different. Alright, so... Yeah, okay, it was fancy box. And it's just XY with height. Alright, good. What? No. Oh, dang it. There we go. Okay, so it is... We'll do 0 for the X position, and for the Y position, we'll do graphics.height divided by 2 minus I times this dot line height. And for the width, we'll do graphics.width divided by 4. That should be good. And then for the height, this dot line height. Now, in theory, when we add all this stuff, we will do this dot window battle log dot refresh. So yeah, in theory it should. Oh yeah, since there's more people here now, I'm going to show you guys off stream, I'm working on an animation system. So we're going to be skipping the animations for the battlers at the moment and just calculating the damage and all that stuff. And when this is done, this is a little cutscene manager thing that I'm working on, and we're going to merge it with, yeah, the thing. That's awesome. That is awesome. Remember the 2 screenshots? Yes, I remember the forests. They were quite foresty. What a bunch of goblins. Wait a minute. What oh. No. Excellent. That looks really good right there. But it's not displaying the message because we don't have the text. But that's awesome. That is really cool. That is exactly what I want. I'm going to make it so like when the mouse is within this area, maybe it just shifts over to the right or something. I don't know. We'll see how that goes, but how many? 300. I guess 300. This dot fancy. Oops. Draw text EX. Index dot data. Hold on. There we go. Much cleaner. XY. Now let's see how this looks. Are you kidding? More than that? 600. Okay, we're not. This is awesome. This is gonna be like a temporary thing. I'm just gonna have that fade out. But if I do that, it would have to. Okay, let's adjust this. Let's do /C4 0. I just want to see how this looks. Yeah, guys, how should we handle the... Okay, I think what we're gonna do is... we'll do this. Fade val 0. And then we'll also give it a tick, so tick 0. Yeah, okay, what we're gonna do, we'll just do this. We'll always have it refresh, so... we'll do... and it won't matter about looping, because we're just gonna erase most of the data anyways. Okay, cool. Yeah, that'll work. Looping, we're joking about charging per tree, or for rescue maps. Yeah, you'd be rich. Be rich as heck. Update. Super update. Let's start refresh. Alright, and then we'll do this dot fade val plus plus. And then if this dot fade val is greater than 60. No, 120. So if it's every 2 seconds, yeah. So if it's greater than 2 seconds, this dot y minus equals this dot fade val plus 1 minus 120. So it should just like move up. If this dot fade val is equal to 180, however, which is exactly 3 seconds, should be this dot battle data dot splice, and then I, and then 1. And that needs to be, yeah, like this. Okay, so at the moment, they all should just move up at the same pace. Why are they not? What's happening? Is it not refreshing? Maybe? Automatically? Hold on, let me get rid of the refresh call and see if it should be refreshing automatically. It is. Okay, so it is refreshing automatically. We gotta find out. I'm trying to figure out an estimate of pricing, probably mixing per tile and variable. Let's see. Yeah, so this dot fade val. Oh! Dag nabbit. I'm a genius. Not really, though. Yeet! Whale. Ooh, I got an idea. Ooh, yeah, because it would bounce down and then yeet on up there like this. Kind of. That's sort of the goal, Twin Tails. And let me show you what we got so far, actually. So we have normal characters. We have flying characters, as you can see. Well, his animation's glitched, but yeah, I'm working on the animation things now. Ignore the animations at the moment. Yeah. But that's about all we got so far. Just moving around. We have height limits, mouse support, all that jazz. Level support for the enemies and all that stuff. So he's like level 1, so he can only move like a little bit. Custom algorithm stuff going on. It's pretty cool. Jump heights. So he can only jump 1, as you can see. I'm pointing with my actual finger. Are you serious? Hold on, let me navigate with the cursor so you can see. Well, I could have just went to anybody. Okay, the little arrow things represent the jump. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We got some cool stuff going on so far. The fighting thing doesn't work yet. And yeah, that's what we're working on now. Well, for the most part, I'm doing messages at the moment. I get a lot more done off stream for some reason. Divided by 4. Alright, so let's see how this looks. I'll show you the animation system we're working on in just a minute, Twin. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. But let's like do divided by like 12 instead of 4. Let's try that. So it should just like bounce down and up. Yep. Alright, that's how I want it to look. And then we're also going to do this dot contents opacity equals minus equals, and this is going to be like 24 probably, and then change it back after it draws. So this dot contents opacity equals C55. You will be able to, yeah. This is gonna like feature full on Dank Mama style. I don't know what that means. But yeah, no, it's gonna feature full on amazingness. Oh, duh. It's not going to work like that. What am I doing? Equals 255 minus that. But yeah, this is going to be like full featured. Okay, why is it not? Wait a minute, is it contents opacity? Do I have the wrong value? I think I have the wrong value. Nope, it is contents opacity. I don't want to create a new window per instance, so there has to be like a way of okay, well, we'll do it the hard way right now. We'll do this dot contents dot context dot global alpha. No, it's not underscore context. Alpha equals, well, just for testing, 0.5. I just need to see if this. I don't think it will. Everything but the kitchen sink, basically. You know what? No, screw it. Even the kitchen sink. Yeah. All right. There it goes. Okay, good. That'll work. Excellent. Equals 1 minus this result here, and then divided by 255. But we don't need to double calculate that. But no, it should just fade out. Nope. Oh, it's divided by 100. No wonder. No, it's not. What the thick chicken nuggets? Equals 1 minus. Oh, you know what? We can do it this way. And yeah, we'll do it this way. We'll do it a little bit different than that algorithm there. We'll do the minus 140 thing still. Ooh, wait a minute. How does turn order work? Disgaea style. So the players will have a turn, and then there it goes. It fades out now. So yeah, the players will have a turn, and then then the enemies will have a turn, and it switches between like so. I'll show you a video real quick on Disgaea. Alright, so I need to lower that just a little bit more. Let's do like 50. Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. So I'm also going to do this. We're going to do let count equals this.battle data.length. So we're going to do negative count, what the, times 32. Yeah, we'll do something like that. So that way they kind of fade out at their own pace. You'll see what I mean. What? Boy. That is not what was intended. I mean, it was, because like it did its thing, but it shouldn't have done that. Oh boy. It shouldn't be moving the yes, it did. It shouldn't be. It should only be moving one at a time. But it's moving the entire batch, and I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, because right here it definitely shouldn't be. That doesn't make sense to me at all. It shouldn't be moving the entire thing. Huh. Also, right after it ends, it needs to reset the global alpha. Exactly. Yes, Twin Tails. Oh my gosh, heck yes. I am so hyped for Disgaea 6. Why is it yeet up there like that? What? Whatever. I'll figure it out in a minute. Oh, dude, I am so dang pumped for Disgaea 6. Hello, me. Oh, no, I know what's going on. I don't really, but I'm just testing something. Why is it moving the whole thing? That doesn't make sense to me at all. Like, it pops him out of existence, but at the incorrect way. Whatever, I'll figure that out in a minute. Well, actually, I assume you already know about Disgaea if you're asking me if I'm going to be playing Disgaea 6. But how about Minesweeper? Mouse cursor. Why am I checking my messages right now and I'm not? Second part? I didn't upload a second part of that. Okay. Now, to figure this out. First off, let's just get rid of that entirely. Oh! Man. I'm an idiot. No, it should... Hold on. It should just be... Wait. Oh, dag nabbit. I'm an idiot on an astronomical level. Why was being 0 and then it just yeeted? That's why it yeeted on up there. But it still doesn't make sense why it's moving the whole thing. This shouldn't move the whole thing. Shouldn't move the whole thing at all. Ooh, but you know what? That does look kind of cool. Mental image on IDE. Your code broke, dude. I would love that. I need that IDE. I need the Prinny IDE in my life. SRW. Kinda. Probably. What's SRW? Is it... Why is it doing that, though? It shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, because look. Grabs the height divided by 2. It should always be that. And not the fade valve. That doesn't make sense. Oh, well. This still looks cool. Super Robot Wars? Yes! Oh! The Super Nintendo game, right? Yep. I think so. I think I know what you're talking about. There was a Super Nintendo game. It was an RPG, like where you played as a robot or whatever, if I recall. Yeah, this is it. Super Robot Tyson. Exactly. It's this sort of system. Hold on, guys. Be right back. And yeah, they can have unique skills and stuff like that. It's fine. Alright, I'm back. It was based off all the mecha animes? Interesting. Okay, yeah, I wasn't gonna do it that way, but I think we really should just have a little micro window pop up. Class micro window extends window base. You know what? This will work. This will work just fine. Constructor super new rectangle, and then we're just gonna do graphics dot width divided by 4 window base dot prototype dot line height times 2 because the padding and whatnot. Well, that's the sizing. Oops. 0. Well, we'll do X and Y. We'll do like a XY thing here. Update. Super.update. And then we'll do. It did it again! Dude, no heckin' way, it did it again! Huh. Why does it keep adding? I've never been so confused in my life. Oh, dude, are we adding attack animations? Bucko, we doing so much more than that. Check this swag out. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're doing animations full-on style. Jumping, moving, full Disgaea style, buddy. We will be anyways. As soon as it's done. I've been working on that off stream. You hate those attack animations? Bucko, they're going to be way better when I'm done with it. You just watch. We're going to be making use of the frames here. Oh, also, with my system, by the way, Ravenin, there are an unlimited amount of possibilities. So, with the animation system that I'm working on, you'll even be able to do custom frames right here, and you'll be able to switch the graphic. So, yeah, okay, too long didn't read. You can have unlimited frames and unlimited swag, basically. So you can have like ultra high smooth animations and everything being played. It's gonna be so dang cool. Like the one in Final Fantasy Tactics. I mean, that's what I mean. You'll be able to set it up that way if that's what you want. Oh, so hi, Rabbitted. Okay, so let's see. Let's update. And we'll do it this that timer. No, we don't need to do it that way, do we? Yeah, we can do this. Yeah, we can do. Yeah. Okay. So we can get rid of the update. We don't need to update it in real time. Instead, we can just do refresh, MSG, this dot contents dot clear, and this dot draw text ex MSG. 0. Now I'm gonna keep the window there for now, but we're gonna remove it later. Okay, so instead of all this jazz, okay, here we go. Yep. Excellent. I can keep all these values as well. Now, after that, we're going to do switch this dot battle data count dot type. Well, I could just do regular type, so we don't need to do all that. Also, yay. Can you use 3D movie as animation? Yes, if you would like that. If you can, yeah, however you want to set it up. I'm going to have it so customizable if I can finish it. It's a lot of hard work, though. As you can see, we barely have anything, and it's 2,000 lines of code. The ones in Super Robot Wars are not like the ones you showed though. Those are more like Fire Emblem. Kinda, yeah. But again, Ravenin, it's gonna be customizable, so you'll be able to have whatever style of animation you like, really. But me, I don't have, you know, sprites to work with other than the default, and I am not a sprite artist. Otherwise, yeah, I would probably go like way over the top just playing around with it. Because I, for one, cannot stand bootleg, and I cannot stand hot garbage. So, and luckily the character sprites here, they fall just out of line of bootleg and hot garbage. So they're not bootleg and hot garbage. They're like right above it. But I cannot stand a bootleg system. If I can see customized, then I can use my 3D models. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, you could. I don't know how to import 3D files, but that'd be kind of swag if we could do that. That'd be awesome. I mean, I know it's doable, but I just don't know how to do it myself. Okay, so... Wait... Oh, yeah, here we go. Case. Info. Break. Case. Damage. Break. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll do X, 0. Wait. We could do it here, but again, we don't need to do all that. There's no point. Well, actually, yeah, there is, because we can manipulate the style of everything that way. Yeah, we'll do that. Let target equals this dot battle data count. So then we'll do target dot x is equal to 0, target dot y is equal to okay, we'll do this as well. This dot info bump. That way it doesn't interfere with the thing. Graphics dot width divided by 2 plus minus rather this dot info bump, and then times this dot y or line height. Not sure what bootleg means. So Ravenin, I'll show you what bootleg means. You know what, JonTron, 6 years ago, but JonTron's awesome.
Even he's confused and
this is bootleg.
Talk about putting the player on edge right away. This game is extremely hard to play. When Pikachu jumps, the entire game.
A ghetto ripoff, if you will. Wonder if we could Dragon Bones bus plug in to put my drawings there. Dragon Bones? What do you mean Dragon Bones busts? You can already display busts. Just don't bust the nut. Stop. Bad Craig. Bad Craig. No. And yeah, I know, right? Twin Tails, I know, bucko. We'll do it this way. I mean, it's a little bit ghetto. I'll clean it up later, but bootlegs, ghetto ripoff, so slightly above. Yeah. Jack wants to animate bus images? Yes. Okay. So, Pixie.js does support that by default, so technically it can be done. Check this out. I didn't know it was called Dragon Bones though. I didn't know there was a tool called Dragon Bones. That's awesome. I'll have to look. I'll have to look for that. Spine. That's what it was. Pixie.js spine example. Dang nabbit. Okay, you know what? Oh, here we go. This is it. This is it. So yeah, it has. Check it out. It's freaking swag, dude. If we can have this kind of stuff in... See, look at this. If we can have this kind of stuff in freaking... RPG Maker... Oh, hi. Man. That junk would be awesome. But then again, so many mobile games you... I mean, okay. Let me show you something. We'll watch Lethal One because it's his duty to protect you from garbage this booty.
Guys heard about Breath of Fire 6?
Can you hear him?
Hell no, right? I just heard about this game 2 days ago.
Every time I see those style of animations now, I think of this, and it gives me internal brain damage.
I want those 2 days of my life back. Now.
I seen this yesterday. This show was hilarious. I mean, I'm gonna link him. Check him out. He's cool. But yeah, this is a good example of bootleg. This is beyond bootleg. This is... What's your favorite Vanillaware game? I don't...
Had to make this video.
Actually, I don't know. It's a good question.
It's my duty to save you from games that's booty.
That's my favorite quote right there.
It's my duty to save you from games that's booty.
I love that. That is awesome. Look real quick. Dragon Bones MZ. I almost said Dragon Ball. Dragon Bones MZ on YouTube. Let's check it out. Driftwood made a video on it. How come I didn't get this?
Actually, switch. I paid $5 on Patreon. AE file to you, but this is a nice copy paste. You put this in the note tags of that enemy.
That is awesome.
Files per each. Once your Dragon Bones assets folder has been populated with the Dragon Bones characters you want, and
Okay, that's super cool. Oh my gosh, man. Dude, like the amount of swag that you can do with that. But yeah, sadly though, again, every time I see stuff like that style with bootleg. Yeah, dude, exactly. Let's start with the bootleg / freemium mobile games / lazy MMO / AFK games. Exactly, 100%. And it's sad because there's so much kick buttery that can be done with the bone system and the spine system in general. The amount of cool stuff that you can do with that is unreal, but it's being used for ghetto hot garbage, and it's like, it's just giving it a bad image, and you can't do that, man. If that's used in a non-lazy way, this bootleg was sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Yes. SC0 the same Dragon Ball technology. Before it was even known. That's awesome. And it was probably used correctly too, and not in a bootleg way. Yeah, and as I said, there's I'm working on busts. Dude, that's gonna be so dang cool. Animated bust that smooth is gonna be amazing. Just downright freaking beautiful. I lost my train of thought. Again. That seems to usually happen. Alright. Nope, we're okay. It's back, I think. This time. New. What the thick was this thing called? Micro window. I almost said it was microwave, but I digress. Target. Just target. Why? Ew. This. Okay, yeah. Index dot tick plus plus. Wait a minute. We don't even need tick, do we? What the heck did I even add that for? Whatever. Index.fade val is greater than 120. We'll do target.self is equal to. Okay, hold on. We'll do it this way. We'll do when equals that when, and then self is equal to when. Okay, so we can link it. All right, so now we just need to do index.when.y minus minus. Now let's just see. Now this is gonna look mad bootleg, but more bone animation copy vanilla. Yeah. If it's, you know, whatever's done right, man, it needs to be done. Why have undefined? Index.when is target SL. Oh. Alright, yeah, here we go with the mad bootleg. It's not even gonna show, right? Yeah. Prove it why I'm undefined. What is happening? Is it not? Okay, hold on. Scene manager dot scene. Looking forward to seeing this all come together. I know it's gonna be so dang cool. And also, hi Josh, how you doing? Yeah. Okay, so it's not adding the. It's okay. So I'll figure that part out in just a minute. But until then, I'm just gonna get rid of this real quick. So Josh, check this out. Check this swag out. Off stream, I've been working on animation. An animation plugin that's going to be used for both cutscenes and controlling battle animations and whatnot. Check this out. So much possibility, dude. You got jumping, custom framings, and everything. It's so dang cool. It's going to be awesome. And let me let me change his animation to instead of cheer, let's have him do a jutsu. So like watch his animation now. It's gonna be pretty cool. Does he just slap some assets together and call it a day? Exactly, dude. I hate that. And then like they'll upload it on Steam. It's like, hiya! I will get you with my jutsu. You can control like the speed of it and everything. So what this is basically going to allow us to do is create battle animations. Thank you, Josh. It's going to allow us to create battle animations that are going to rival Disgaea. And it's going to be awesome. So like, yeah, you control the speed, you can make it loop, you can make it not loop, you can do custom animations, all kinds of cool stuff. It's like, and she's like, yeah, thank you, bucko. I already got a lot of animations down, but for the most part, though, that doesn't work right now. I'm trying to figure out why the... hold on, let me re-enable it. I'm trying to figure out now why the messages aren't working properly. Because, okay, we got the new thing, right? Okay, micro window, and then... Oh, they're not refreshing, duh. So I can undo that now. But no, it should still be adding, right? Yeah, because... Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of that real quick and figure out why this isn't... Because it's not invisible, and by default now it should be, if we go like 0, 0. Game Maker does it more disciplined. They don't have pre-made assets to work with. Yeah, exactly. Like when you have pre-made assets, it does allow you to be lazy. Where's my window? Why is it not showing up? That does not make sense at all. Super new rectangle x, y. There's the width divided by 4. And the base, that prototype, that line height. Maybe it's like this. Maybe it's a height thing. I'm gonna just do like a 96 by 96 real quick just to see. Yeah, it was a width and height thing, so it is appearing. So let me undo all that. Yeah, and just get rid of that part though. Because I don't... Graphics.width divided by 4. I'm gonna base that prototype. Oh, that's it! Heck nabbit. I forgot frickin' parentheses. Nope. Yep. There they are. Eggman's robots. Stop. Why does that make it... Why does it delete? It shouldn't be deleting. I have nothing making it delete. Okay, so info bump needs... Also... Oh, dagnabbit. I'm making all kinds of derps. Do they play good? Are the maps good for in-game or... Oh yeah, yeah, these maps here, yeah, they're all made for in-game stuff. Why have undefined? What? Okay, fine, let's do this. Try. Catch. Well, we're going a little bit bootleg. But, I just need to see if it's, like, trying to read into a value that doesn't... I mean, it obviously doesn't exist, but why? Why does it only work with the first one? Huh? Huh? There we go. Yeah, okay. That's awesome. But I need to reverse the order still. So, we'll do it this way then. I think that's what was going on. What? Before initialization? Ah, son of a burnt chicken nugget. Alright, well... I'll reset count then after it's created. That's our well designed, so I suppose they are. They are. They really are, Nat. Your maps are awesome. X of undefined. Hold on. I don't know why this would do that, but that's certainly weird. But I think using unshift bugs it. It does. It does. Oh boy. Well, another thing we can do then is just use push. And then just reverse the order. So we can do... We can start it at that, and then... I think I need to do -1 though. Yeah, type of undefined. That way we can use push, and then it should start fading from the top. Nope, it doesn't. Huh. Well. Okay, fine. Well, what we'll do is we'll do this. This dot battle data dot sort. After all this, hold on. After all this, and we'll sort it based on the values here. So we'll go return A dot fade val minus B dot fade val. And that should, I might have to do a plus, but that should organize them in a way that does top to bottom without having to use unshift. Nope, it's backwards. Okay, so I do need a plus. That looks cool though, man. Okay, what is happening? Why? Oh. I think that was it. Ba 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 da bo bo. I'm about to snap. Yeah, I'm about to snap. Oh wait, we can just do that. No, that's not good at all. Son of a hooker. Okay, well, try this one more time because I don't know if it required the thing, but if this doesn't work, then I'm going to punch a llama in the titty. No, dag nabbit. Okay, fine. We'll do this. Equals. Let's do 96 plus. I think it's because like we were doing the. There we go. Nice, excellent. Okay. So yeah, it needs to be. We're gonna do like a divide by 3 and then plus. And that should be like in the middle of the. On the phone in the middle of the screen. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, now we're gonna target dot self dot refresh. I could just do win dot refresh, but whatever. I digress. I digress because digressing is the mainstream. Win dot refresh, and then target dot data. Go see simple your game, Majora. Dude, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, Mark. There we go. Has a paya. This dot fancy box 00 this dot contents dot width this dot contents dot height. Yeah, I'm gonna make it like a maximum of 2. No, we'll do 3 because I don't want it to stretch too far. We'll just get rid of the opacity now. And now we should have a pretty cool looking system. Yes, we do. Okay, stop line height. Oh yeah, no, don't worry. Yeah, we're definitely going to be changing the alpha, and they're going to be a lot smoother than what they look like here as well. Divided by equals 1.1. I want to see what this looks like. There we go. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Are you catching your death of cold? I do have a cold of some kind. But yeah, I really like that right there, don't you guys? Let's try this. Index.self.scale.x times equals 1.1. And then index.self.contents opacity minus, divided by equals 2. So I want to see how over the top this is going to look. Oh, heck nabbit. Ooh. Ooh. love the dang phone. That looked swag. Also, are you okay with people asking questions about what you plan on adding to the finished version? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you're talking about Nat. Yeah. Nat needs to finish her project. Oh! Dude, what? That looked fancy. That looked fancy as thick. What? Okay, that looked really cool. Yeah, if you're asking me, Josh, then yeah, I'm okay with you asking anything you want to ask. Okay, I like that. That is awesome. Now we're gonna have them fade in, though. Just that contents opacity equals 0. Alright, so now this should just fade in over the course of 1 second. I was wrong. Why is it not? Is contents opacity thing a 0 and 1? Because oh, dag nabbit. Index that self. I did it again. Okay, so they are fading in, but a little bit too slow. So we're gonna do, let's do 60 divided by 128. That's basically multiplying the speed by 4 of the fade in. Or not. Plus equals. Fine, let's just add it directly by 10. Hey Mario, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Alright, there we go. I like that. And the way it fades out is like super cool and everything. Yeah. Now the damage pop-up though, I don't really know how I'm gonna, like the best way to handle that. Yeah, best way to handle the damage pop-up would be have it appear above the enemy's head, right? Instead of having it. So we have it appear above the enemy's head, or should it appear as a little window over here like we just had? If index.fade val is equal to 160 or 80, we're gonna do this dot remove child index dot self. So real quick, let me delete the fading in, fading out. I need to see if it deletes the projectile system for ranged attacks. Yes, we most definitely are. It's gonna be a full-fledged. Yeah, it's gonna be a full-on beast of a system. It's gonna be like the best that I can make it. I'm not gonna be lazy with it. Is it not removing them, right? Yeah, it's not removing them. Ah, come on, man. You should be removing them. Okay, so we do need to do it this way. Target.self, because now it should remove. It's not removing them, and it doesn't make sense. Maybe it's this. Hold on. Let me see if there's an error when I'm trying to remove it. I have no earthly idea. All I know is the little bit of stuff that we have going on here is already 2,000 lines of code. Alright, so there's no errors, it's just not removing the child. Why? Why? It should be removing it. That doesn't make sense to me. You're just getting into game dev, and it's sort of simple, but I'd love to use the system at some point. Awesome. Glad to hear that, and welcome to the game dev community, and yeah, have a lot of fun, because it's really great. Hey, Jared, how's it going, dude? Welcome, man. Oh, dude, it is darn near impossible. J-Red up in the house. The color switching looks good. If you use an effective lead into something, the switch kind of kills it, though. Yeah, no, exactly. But no, that's not going to be like that, though. I'm definitely going to be doing, like, less. Let's try, like that. But I don't know why it's not... desktop battle data... Hold on. I think we can do it this way. Dot splice I1, and then we can do this. Remove child at, and then we'll just do I. I know, it does look neat, I agree. It does look really cool. Please work. Okay, so it is removing them, but it's not clearing out the bitmap. Or no, it's not removing them either. It's... Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, because it stops, and this is just if it's greater than that. So how do we get it to remove the... Hold on, this content's not clear. It's not drawing them as a part of the contents, is it? No, it's not. Huh. This is a problem because that's going to cause severe lag with a lot of messages popping up. Hold on. Let's do this. Console.log. Yeah, so they are getting removed, but the bitmap itself is not being cleared. Well, I mean, it's going to be transparent, so as long as they're actually getting removed, it shouldn't matter. Since it's literally just pixel data at this point. So yeah, I think we're good. This should be good. Although it kind of made doing this a little bit useless. So we don't need to do contents.clear anymore. We don't even need to make this a window, we can just do sprite. Don't need opacity either. Yeah, we can make this a sprite now. We don't need to do anything special. Oh, yeah we do, the line height. Yeah, whatever, I'm gonna keep it a window base for now. I'll switch it later. No, Mario. In fact, the world of goodbye, that is what inspired the tactical battle system here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This what inspired the battle system that we have going on. I love that. That looks really cool. And yeah, once this is done, that's when we're gonna... Let's try something like really arbitrary. Also, I love the little buffer symbol you put there. How'd you do that? Is that an emote? I want that emote. That's really cool. There we go. I like that. That looks good. And then we can do self.x equals negative index.self.scale.x divided by 2. And I just refreshed my own chat. I have a question. In regards to making things in MZ action battle system? Yes. I don't know what you're asking. If it can be done, then yeah, it can be done. But like, I don't personally have any experience with said system. Okay, I think I want to multiply by 2 and not divide. It did it again. Okay, why is the chat there? The chat kept having an index like above what I was actually trying to get. Yeah, that'll make no sense. We'll do this. We'll do like times this dot, wait, index self dot width divided by 2. I think that was what I needed to do, because like it's a multiplier. It's not a direct value. I mean, it is. This is, but a 2 would mean double. So I think we didn't need to multiply it like so. Yep, there we go. So now we need to take this and divide that by 2. I mean, you can get the same result just by doing this by 4. So some out of system for facing. Seems a tactic system is new terribly different functionality. Yeah, because like, to be honest, either way you're gonna end up having to code way more than you're comfortable with. Also, this needs to be minus equals, and then yeah, that's why I'm an idiot. Action time battle system. There we go. Now it kind of just fades. I say it should. You know what? I got another idea that's gonna look really cool as well. Instead of scaling, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the micro window. We're gonna give it a filter. This dot filters equals new pixie dot filters dot blur filter 0, and then we'll do this. We'll do index dot self dot filters 0 dot blur equals. We'll do index dot fade val minus 120. And then no, we'll just do this. We'll just do divided by 120. At first, this is gonna look mad bootleg, and might even cause severe crashing. Oh, so it's reverse. How does that make sense? How does that make any form of sense in the slightest? Ah, there we go, that's why. Having it be a 0 like that. Blur equals 0. I think I have to set it to 0. You were thinking ATB? There we go. And yep, it blurs out. Okay. If index dot fade val we're gonna go 0. We'll do no, we'll do 60. Alright, now let's see how this looks. Each one should have their own fade in time. Yep. It should fade out. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, now I do want to increase the blur, and so let's do this. And decrease the time that it becomes opacified. Nah, we don't need to do that. It's gonna look good regardless. Ow. Again, though, guys, I don't like to go, ghetto, like bootleg or ghetto. So we're gonna get rid of the X thing as well, since we don't need the scaling anymore. And we're just gonna barely move it up and watch it as it blurs and fades out. I think this is our, we're approaching the final step on the messaging system here. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Look how it just blurs, dude. Oh, I love it. Check it out. Yeah, I'm a guy who cannot stand bootleg. Oh, I love that. I love that. It looks like it puffs out in like a puff of smoke or something. That looks so dang cool. Also, I'm going to have them fade in a little bit quicker. What about your username? I know, you're used to being called Nat. Like that thing that flies. Okay, stop. We'll do a 24 as well. And, you know, dagnabbit. Alright, here we go. That is fire. I love it. We want over the top, right? So let's go over the top. I'll also have an option so that, you know, the user can enable or disable the over the top, but right now, I just want to go over the top. We're gonna do SB. Nope, we don't need it. Check this out. Index.self.x plus equals math.cosine. Index.fadeval divided by math.pi. Wait a minute, no, it's divided by 360, right? Yeah. No, 180. It's divided by the result of 180 times math.pi. That's how we get radians. Alright. Then we're gonna just keep that the way it is. We're not gonna give it a divider or multiplier. Let's try a Y position. Sine. Alright, check this out, guys. You just kind of used to adapting whatever's relevant and or my conversation name, my card username, say TS to prefer. Kinda, yeah, you're right, Twin Tails. It's pretty close. Okay, so it's a little on the. Oh. So let's try this. Let's just do divided by math.pi. It's not a accurate like mathematical number per se. Oh, son of a dank. But oh my gosh, Nat, you're missing out. It's such a good game. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, stop. That was certainly a thing. Let's just try divided by 360. So. Well, it's over the top. Yeah, now we're just getting weird with it. 20 out of 10, I know, right? Okay, that's cool, but you can't read jack squat. So let's just do divided by 8 on the Y. What the thick? Where did my division go? Flushed out a toilet. It did. Now we just do divided by 8 on this. 8 on your side. Ow. I hate when like there's like a booger that's like stuck, ow, on a hair. Screw that thing. I mean, I kind of like the wiggle, but at the same time, nah. Let's get rid of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. We did some pretty interesting things today. We we actually made some decent progress because we have a working message system now that we're going to be using for damage as well. And off stream, I will be working my nuts off on the animation side of the software to get some awesome kick butt animations going on. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. You know what? Oh my gosh, no, that sounded like a Markiplier ending. Oh man, I didn't want to do that. Markiplier is cool, but come on, man. All right. Anyways, bye, guys.